Ships on vigor of the waves are skimming, barren summits to the verdant plains. Each horizon is a new beginning, rise and rain. Far from the fjords and the ice-cold currents, brave and soar over new frontiers. Songs and sagas of a fate determined, shields and spears. Vows of favor or the thrill of plunder, pulled together for the clan and kin. Clank of hammers and the crash of thunder, pound within.
Corrosion's deep here. Wire wheel at first, plasma cutter next. Watch for falling pieces.
To pluck the strings of destiny. Valhalla calling me. Valhalla calling me.
All right, let's get these new leaf springs in. Got it. Brakes and hubs are next. Steering linkage is tight. Wheel rotates smooth, rebuild's done. All right, let's get the fuel tank in. Got it. Lifting now. Good. Secure the bolts. Hoses are clamped. Wiring's done. Let's test the lights. Lights are on. Looks perfect.
Shields are shattered into splintered timbers.
Transmission's torque, moving to the diff. Seal is seated. Bearing next. Exhaust is secure. She's ready. All right, let's fire her up. Come on, baby. There she is. Perfect.